Fresh off a great escape.
Them almost hold on pan we in a area 51, but we make it out safe. Today me I go work on the spaceship. Me have a part now to get it going, and I might take a troll for some consumption.
So let's get started. Bigfoot no day off to slow me down. All him think about is him belly. Portland, Jamaica, birthplace of the bouncer, and a big robbery the other day. Man, him mother and him auntie rob the place. Can you believe this? Yes, I'm finished with the repairs. Make we see if it crank up now. Anyway, make me get myself ready for a test flight. All the instrument looking good. The interstellar drives look good. I'm on my way now. Yeah, man, that feel good. Me can feel the power. It ready for take flight.
Bigfoot, you're too late. Me fix it already. If a food you look for, me no have no.
For what you bring me through, you should at least have some beef patties. Did you hear about the robbery in Portland this morning? Yeah, man, me hear about it. The man, them brave. Even his mother and auntie was in on it. Them man, they brave. Bring them family.
A long time we not do a podcast.
But we are weeks now. But we have to talk about the election. Bro, God, stay tuned.